I'm headed to the Lakeshore East development in the new East Side neighborhood in Chicago's Loop to tour a Sweet Home Chicago furnished one-bedroom at Aqua, an architectural icon. I'm in the spacious foyer of a one-bedroom on the 44th floor facing south. There's a coat closet and utility closet off to the right as you enter, set up with items to take care of your flooring and your clothing. And just off to the right, there's a side-by-side washer-dryer with plenty of shelving. Bathroom is straight ahead. It's an oversized bath. Has a nice sized vanity set up to welcome you with a toiletry kit. And then as you proceed into the unit, got a living dining area and kitchen. The kitchen is set up with all the countertop appliances you're going to want. Knives, cups, glasses, dinnerware, cookware. 4-burner gas range, a built-in microwave, a dishwasher, attractive tile backsplash, and a refrigerator freezer with an ice maker. Got a wall of windows facing south. Got hardwood flooring throughout the living areas. And then we come to what's one of the great glories of the Aqua experience. These fabulous balconies. Let's head out. Unfortunately, we have some Lake Michigan fog here, but we can give you some idea of the scale of this balcony and the curving beauty of Gene Aqua's architecture here. Got a view out into Millennium Park, view out over Mariano's across the way and Lakeshore Park, where there's a dog park and a playground. And if we didn't have the fog, we'd have a view out to Lake Michigan. Very attractively sized balcony. Great space. Coming back inside, like all Sweet Home Chicago units, you're going to have a flat screen TV and plenty of additional storage chests. This unit has overall great closet space. There's another closet with shelving as you head toward the bedroom. The bedroom, as you can see, can accommodate any size furniture and is set up with a king-size bed. A large chest of drawers, another wall of windows facing south, and then a walk-in closet. Extra bedding and linens, plenty of hangers. You can move right in and feel right at home because it's a Sweet Home Chicago unit. Very attractive space where you can be comfortable for a while. Sweet Home Chicago apartments are set up with everything you need to feel at home and hotel-like services to ensure your comfort. It's a sweet deal.